We are, but we don't believe that we need to build every element of that ourselves. I mean, this is also a big evolution in brokerage technology in the last 20 years. Even in 2012, if you were starting a real estate technology brokerage in 2012, you would have had to build and own more of that infrastructure yourself, because there wasn't this ecosystem of APIs available in a lot of the different places that are today. And so when assembling the kind of brokerage technology stack, we want to find the best partners. Matterport, for example, is a great example where that's an interesting and critical tool for agents that brokerages should never try to build, but rather what would the world look like if that was natively embedded within the workflow of a company? I think it's those types of questions and finding those types of partners that we get really excited about. We actually announced yesterday a partnership with a large title company, first of its kind in either industry, where we can initiate title through Avenue 8 and just create a better consumer experience.
So do you have the same title company in New York and in California, or there are different regulations and that's why you have to get different partners in every state?
We don't have to get different partners in every state, and it certainly is state by state, but our biggest market is California, and we're not building this just for one company. It's really around creating a marketplace within Avenue 8 where if you are a title company that is API driven, you can have a closer attachment to the origination point of the decision in an environment where agents are spending time and their clients are spending time because of the nature of the brokerage.